Hi everybody, it is Sunday and Wyatt and I are kicking off another What I Wore video. Right, buddy? Yeah. So it's cold outside, but it's sunny, so that's nice. And we've already been on the go for most of the day, and we have to get back to it to go see my mother-in-law for her birthday. So, sorry about the sun there. I have on a pair of Eyelash jeans with a pair of Vince Camuto boots, a scarf from Express, a sweater from the Loft, and a coat from the Loft. So here is my outfit for Sunday. I love this sweater from the Loft. It's a little bit longer in the back than in the front. It's a super soft material, although it does seem to be pilling a little bit. But it's super soft. My boots are like the over-the-knee kind, but they are very comfortable for all-day wear, which I love. You can see them in the back. They have a nice long notch with a little bit of stretch to them, so they're nice. And this is my coat, which I probably got 2 years ago now at the Loft. And I noticed it is also a moto style, so I seem to have a theme here going on. It is nice and warm. My son had an early hockey game, and I was warm in the rink all day today. So this is my outfit for Sunday. So I hope you all have a great start to your week, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. It is Monday, and Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day, right? Zeta has declined to join us. Yeah. So we'll catch her later on in the week, hopefully. So it's another cold day, high of like 31. We have work to do, and then off to a hockey game. So today I am wearing Steve Madden over-the-knee boots. They're actually like probably almost thigh-high boots because I wanted extra warmth. I have a pair of Express, like, I don't know, I guess they're like faux leather leggings. A tunic tank from Kohl's, this sweater on, which is kind of like a loose weave sweater, which is kind of why I have the tank on. Wasn't feeling that great when I woke up, so I'm kind of like threw a bunch of stuff together quickly. And I think I'm going to wear my Old Navy coat today. So that's my outfit for the day. You want to share? You just want to go sleep? All right, so here's my outfit of the day for Monday. So this tank is very nice and long. The sweater's kind of long too, but it is kind of like a looser weave, so I felt like I had to put a tank on underneath it. The sweater is from the Loft. It's a blue and gray sweater that I've had for probably a couple years now. And these leggings are kind of like that, I don't know, faux suede look to them. I got them really cheap at, at Express when they had one of their half off sales, probably last year. And then I just put on these Steve Madden boots, which I got probably a couple years ago. And they're like this fancy over the knee look, but they're flats, so they're nice and comfortable and cozy for wearing all day long. So that's my outfit for Monday. And Wyatt, what are you doing? I think I'm going to wear my Old Navy coat today and try it out. This will be my first time to give me some color today since I'm all black and white. And if it's too cold out, maybe I'll put on a scarf too. We'll see. So this is my outfit for Monday. So I hope you all have an awesome day and an awesome start to your week, and I will see you tomorrow. Can you guys hear him groaning? He's scratching his ears. You're a goofball. All right. Bye, everybody. Hi, everybody. It is Tuesday, and Zena and Wyatt, hey, buddy, and I are bringing you outfit of the day. So for today, I am working, and I don't know what else I had planned, and I was cold and tired because my son had a super late hockey game last night. So I'm dressed pretty cozy here. I got a pair of jeans on from White House Black Market. They're just like a boyfriend jean. And a pair of booties from 9 West. that I got a few years ago, and my new cozy pullover from Old Navy that I got at my outlet haul. So this is my outfit for Tuesday. Pretty easy, simple. I do like this cozy cardigan. It is super warm. I tend to sit with a space heater near me all the time because I'm always cold, and I really haven't needed it today. And these booties are a cute little wedge booty that zip up the back. I like them because they were burgundy to go with my little pullover today. So I've already exhausted Wyatt here. Hope everyone has an awesome day. The sun is coming out, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day for Wednesday. His face has cracked me up. You're such a silly goof. Huh? You're a goof. So, it is going to be almost 40 today, so it'll feel a little warmer than it has been. And I'm working today, and then I'm going to have dinner with my friend, and maybe we'll hit the mall for a little bit. So, I get out and go to hockey practice tonight. I have on a pair of DL 1961 jeans and Sam Edelman boots. I have a long sleeve sweater on that I got a long time ago from Ann Taylor, not the Loft, but the regular Ann Taylor store. And I like it because it's a sweater, but it's like a nice thinner layer. I have a scarf on that I probably got from the Limited, a little purple stoned necklace that I got at Express, and this little crushed velvet, like this velvet jacket. Yes, it's a moto jacket. I know, I have a problem. That I got at Macy's, really cheap during their Black Friday sale. And I love it because it's purple, and it's velvet, and it's soft, and it's warm. So, that's my outfit for, what day is it already? Wednesday. I already forgot. Let me share. So yes, the sweater, it's nice because this is a sweater, but it's super thin. So it's nice to layer things, but yet it's warm. And my jeans do have a little bit of distressing, but yet no holes, so they're covered. My Sam Edelman boots have a lace up in the front. However, they do have a zipper. So it's not actually open. It's just like a fake little lace, but you can still tighten it up. And this nice, super soft velvet jacket that I really like, that is a moto style. Yeah. And then my scarf, just in case I'm cold. So this is my outfit for Wednesday. All right. So I hope everyone has an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow. It's already going to be Thursday, so the week is flying by. See you then. Hi, everybody. It is Thursday morning, and Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. And it has been a rough morning so far. My son's giving me a hard time. He didn't go to school yet this morning. So I am not in the best of moods because I really don't like to start my morning off with a fight. So this morning I have on a pair of sorrel boots, which I have not left the house yet, so the fight will continue for a little while. And a pair of, because I generally take my child to school in the mornings because he's, doesn't like to ride the bus. So when I'm home, I take him to school when I can. A pair of Can jeans, and I like Can jeans. They're one of the less expensive brands from Buckle. These are kind of, these are very distressed, but they're super soft and comfortable, and that's what I was in the mood for this morning. But I do like the Can brand, and that's Can with a K. And then I have this eyelash sweater on from Express. Sorry guys, I'm just not with it this morning. My necklace is from Express. I don't know what coat I'm going to wear yet. I picked up, I think maybe my suede moto. That's a blank NYC that I got. I think I got it last year. So I'd like to curl up with Wyatt and go back to bed and start over again, huh buddy? But anyway, here's my outfit for Thursday. I hope all of your mornings started off better this morning than mine did. So let me share. So this sweater is pretty. It's like a gray, purple, black mixture, but super soft and cozy. And you can see my jeans are pretty shredded, which makes them super soft. And then I just have these really cool sorrel boots on that are surprisingly easy to get into, considering they are just lace up. They do not have any zippers or anything anywhere, but they're super warm. They do have a wedge heel, and they're very comfortable. And I think I'm just gonna put this on, unless I find a big cozy black sweater. Maybe I'll just put that on, or maybe even gray. But as of right now, I think I'm just gonna put this moto jacket on. So this is my outfit for today so far. But I can change my mind sometimes. All right. Anyway, I'm going to go back to, I have some work to do, and then I'm going to see if I can get my son to go into school a little late today. I hope everyone has an awesome day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. But for some reason, Wyatt's averting his eyes. What's the matter, Wyatt? Don't you like outfit of the day? What's the matter? So, for today, I'm having a rough one. I woke up and I can't move without pain for some reason. My neck and my shoulders hurting me, so I am hopped up on a bunch of Advil and threw on the first thing that I saw this morning. So I want a pair of gray jeans from White House Black Market. I have on this sweater from Target. It's one of the Eyelash sweaters, which right now I saw they were, I think they were, all the sweaters were 50% off. So I will put the link down below for these Eyelash sweaters. I'm loving them. I think this is my third one. One's a V-neck, and then I have these two crew necks. A blue one and like that reddish orange one. Anyway, booties from Lucky, and I have on this, I don't know what this is, like a kimono style sweater jacket that I got from Anthropologie on sale, I don't know, a year or two ago, probably 2 years ago now. And I must have liked it when I bought it, but now I'm not so sure. So you guys need to tell me if this should be a pitch, because I'm leaning towards thinking I need to get rid of it. I'm not sure. I was thinking I feel like I have on I feel like it's like a quilt or something. I don't know. I put it on. I'm not feeling that great. So I don't know if it's in my pain-induced state that I'm in, or if it really is as bad as I think it is. So I thought I'd share with you guys so you guys can tell me if I should get rid of it. Anyway, here is my outfit for Friday. So see how this is like a little, it does actually have sleeves, but it has a lot of fringe and a little bit of gold in it. So it's like a kimono cardigan because it is a sweater. And I have this light blue Eyelash sweater on, and these gray jeans from White House Black Market. And they're a little bit lighter on the bottom. I don't think I've ever worn them before, but I've had them for a while. And I just pulled them out and put them on. So this is my outfit for Friday, unless this sweater thing really starts to bother me, and then I'll probably take it off. Oh, I can't really move all that well, so I have to move my whole body. All right, Wyatt. So I hope everyone is having an awesome, awesome Friday, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. It is Saturday, and Wyatt and Zena and I are here for outfit of the day. Can you say hi, YY? Say hi, everybody. So I have on today comfy clothes because I am, for some reason, having some pain in my neck and shoulder on my whole right side here. So movement is a little bit painful for me. I'm not sure what I have going on here, but I'm sure it will pass. So I picked a pair of Moto leggings. They have zippers at the ankle from Express. I have on a black long sleeve t-shirt that I kept from my last Wantable. Nice and easy stuff that I could easily pull on without making myself work too hard today. And this is a very oversized cardigan that I got from Red Dress Boutique. So my last, I did a Red Dress Boutique haul, which you guys can check out. And I kept half the items, I returned half the items, and I got store credit. So this was one of the items I got in place of those items I returned. And it is oversized, which actually worked out well for me today since moving this arm kind of hurts a little bit. But because it's so oversized, I belted it. And my necklace is from Leah Sophia, and my shoes are Steve Madden. So here's my outfit for Saturday. And Zena is staring at some, you know what I have over here on the table. So that's what she's looking at. So this is the cardigan from Red Dress Boutique. So it's a nice length. Hopefully it's not bunching too much with my belt, but I did belt it because it was so oversized. And it does have these cute patch pockets and this fun leopard print. The t-shirt I have underneath it is very long. It's a cute little tunic t-shirt. And I do have these moto leggings on. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll move a little closer here so you can see the stitching on the leggings. I can't tell if you can see them or not, but it does have moto stitching here and little zippers at the ankle. You guys can see that. And I have these fun booties on from Steve Madden that have the little fringe on the side, which I really like these boots. I think they're fun. So hopefully you guys can see that as well. And this is my outfit for Saturday. This belt is one that I just got from White House Black Market, I think, last year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This wraps things up for this week. Zena's ready for some treats. Please consider hitting that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So have an awesome, awesome weekend. Till next time, everybody. Bye.